Hey, it's your boy, and this right here, this is when your dreams come true, my nigga. This is what my team gon' do, my nigga. This is why you feel left out, my nigga. This is why the fiends come through, my nigga. Drug lord on a rap beat, thug core when I pack heat. 4-5 in the glove box, hoes ride in the backseat. No love for the po-po, go pro with the track meet. Dope runs for some more dope, low funds for the pack cheap. Holla at me, let me get a little blunt though. Front row when you show me, low key, I'm the man now. Black man with a rap sheet, crack came and it moved in. Loose ends with a trap beat, roof rent on the high now. Skybound on the back street. Hey, this is when your dreams come true, my nigga. This is what my team gon' do, my nigga. This is why you feel left out, my nigga. This is why the fiends come through, my nigga. Fucking put the game on hold, stuck with all the pain I sold. Rollin' with my nigga from the jump, I start dumping if that nigga ever told. Cold heart but the heat rise, reside in the streets where the weak die. Seaside on the beach getting deep fried, with a freak she a beast when she need hot. Rely on the peace when the peace die. We ride on police, fuck a peace sign. Each rhyme is a crease in my Levi. D9 in a G, I don't see why. You see y'all breeze by in a photo. Slow-mo for the hoes, taking photos. Cholos, lolos with the cocoa. No go, don't you know them niggas loco? No, nigga, this is when your dreams come true, my nigga. This is what my team gon' do, my nigga.